Good morning, class 5th. Today we are going to play a quiz on chapter 5, that is breathing deeply. I hope that you all have completed chapter 5 in your copy. So this chapter of your over. If you have read this chapter well, then you will give correct answer of all the question of this quiz. And if you read this chapter not perfectly, then you will not able to give right answer of the questions of this quiz. So play carefully, watch each question very carefully. If more than 4 of your answer are wrong, that it's mean you have to read this chapter again. So here you can see question number 1. Be breath in air that is rich in. What should be here as answer? Carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen or sulfur. Have you all chosen your answer from these options? So the right answer of question 1 is oxygen. We breathe in air that is rich in oxygen. Now we are going to move to question 2. In human chest, there is a pair of bag-like structures called, is it heart? Is it kidney? Is it lungs? It is diaphragm. Did you choose your answer? Should I tell you the answer? So, the right answer of this question is lungs, which is the C option of question number 2. Now we are going to move question 3. Our lungs are protected by rib cage or heart or kidney or in bags. So this is your question and these are your options. You have to choose only one for this question. Have you chosen your answer? So I am going to tell the right answer of question 3. So the right answer of question 3 is rib cage. Rib cage, which is a structure of 12 curved bones. Did you remember this? Okay, now we are moving to question 4. When we breathe in air, the diaphragm moves down, up, inside, no movement in diaphragm. So, have you chosen your answer from these options? Should I tell you the right answer? So, the right answer of this question is down. When we breathe in air, the diaphragm moves down. Is it your answer? Now, question 5th. We breathe dash when we run. So, we have to fill the suitable word from these options here. So, we breathe normal or we breathe slower or we breathe faster or we breathe mild when we run. Have you chosen your answer? Should I tell you the right answer? So the right answer of question 5th is faster. We breathe faster when we run. Is it your right answer? Now question 6. If we blow on a mirror, its surface will become clear, or cloudy or black or rough? Have you chosen your answer? Should I tell you the right answer? So the right answer of question 6 is cloudy. If we blow on a mirror, its surface will become cloudy. Now the question 7. We often blow on our palms in winter to make our palms cool, or to make our palms burn less, or to make our palms normal, or to make our palms warm. Have you chosen your option? So the right option of this question is warm. We often blow on our palm in winter to make them warm. Is that clear? Now the question 8. We should always breathe in through. So we should always breathe in through nose, through mouth, through lungs, or through windpipe. Did you choose your answer? Should I tell you the right answer? So the right answer of question 8 is nose. We should always breathe in through nose. So students, it ends here. How many answers did you corrected? Tell me honestly in comments or in your group. So thank you class.